In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default date to the most recent date on a filter in Tableau. This skill is particularly useful when you're working with datasets over time and want to make sure your filters always show the latest data available. Let's dive in. First, we'll launch the Tableau app on your device. Once you've successfully opened Tableau, the next step is to access your worksheet. Navigate to the specific worksheet that holds the data where you want to apply this filter. Now, on to setting the order date. Drag order date from your data pane and drop it onto the rows shelf. This action will help in defining the temporal aspect of your visualization. After you've placed it there, you'll notice a drop-down appear. Click on it and then click on More to access additional options. Once you've clicked More, go ahead and select Custom, which will give you further control over the date format. Change the detail to month, day, year, and then click OK. This setting ensures you're working with the precise date format needed for your analysis. Now, let's verify our work. Scroll down through your data to confirm that the dates appear as intended. This step is crucial to catching any potential errors early on and ensuring everything aligns perfectly with our requirements. The next step is to create a calculated field. Head over to Analysis in the menu and then select Create Calculated Field. This calculated field will allow us to isolate the most recent date in our dataset. Name this field with something descriptive, perhaps something like recent date, so you can easily identify it later. Then, type the query needed to grab the most recent date according to your dataset specifications. Drag this newly created calculated field onto the filters card. In the filter options, select True and click OK. This action ensures that our filter only displays data related to the most recent dates. Alternatively, you might find yourself needing a slightly different approach. In that case, just repeat the process. Drag order date to the row shelf, click on the drop-down and select More. Choose Custom, set it to month, day, / year, and then click OK. Scroll to check that those date settings hold up. Back in the Analysis menu, create another calculated field. Name it again and enter your query, focusing this time on how you want to handle the data. Most likely, you'll want it to focus on retrieving the maximum date available. Drag this field onto the filters card, and this time, when in the filter options, select Max Date and click OK. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively set up your filter in Tableau to default to the latest date, ensuring your data visualization stays up to date every time you access it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was clear and helpful.